Hi friends, I hope you guys are having a great morning. Today we are going to play a game to practice our sorting. You guys are going to go to the top of the screen and you're going to see a little blue button with a gaming controller and you're going to click on that. Once you click on that, it will bring you to this screen with a whole bunch of games. We're going to play the game with Oscar in the rocket ship. So you'll want to click on that. And then once you click on that, it'll bring you to this game. And you're going to want to hit play.
Oscar's Rotten Ride! Hello. I was just looking at this grouchy map. It shows where we can find some really rotten trash for my collection. Come on, let's scram. Choose where you want to go first. Underwater, the beach, space.
You guys can pick it underwater,
the beach,
or space. I'm going to play
the beach, space.
Space.
We're off to space in my rusty rocket ship. But it's missing the roof. We'll need one of these parts to fix it. Help me sort these parts by height. Let's start with the tallest. Now, put the rest of the parts in order, from tallest to shortest. Move them to the conveyor belt.
We're going to sort the shapes based off of their height, from biggest to smallest. To drag it, you'll click and hold down the button on your mouse, and then drag it to the conveyor belt. And if you get it right, it will light up green.
Great job! Put the third part on the rocket ship.
Here, you'll want to listen to Oscar for his directions. He just told me to put the third part on the rocket ship.
That's right. Get ready for a rotten ride. I'll tell you what trash I want, then you steer me to pick it up. To steer, move the rocket ship. 3, 2, 1, scram.
To move the rocket ship, you'll hold down on the right
Get the trash
side of
that's
your mouse.
all the way at the bottom. That's right. Let's get as much trash as we can. Nice driving. Get the trash that's all the way at the top. Yeah. Let's get as much trash as we can. Yucky. Gross. Yucky. Nice driving. Get the trash that's above the blue planet. Let's get as much trash as we can. Yucky. Rotten. Nice driving. Rotten. Ew. Yucky. Look at all the trash we got. Way to go. We collected a treasure trove of trash. Let's go somewhere else and get even more trash, okay? Choose where you want to go next.
Once you guys finish the first game, you guys can pick to go to another place on this game, or you can exit out.
Choose
at
one
the
of
left
these
side of the
places to
screen.
go.
And you can play any one of these games as long as you guys have finished the first game. Have fun!